Hello people. So this is my 8th video of the day, and in this video I am reviewing this book called Lord of the Flies by William Golding. I remember this book was part of our syllabus during my graduation, and the thing that I remember the most about this book is the fact that it's about this group of young boys who get lost on an island, who are like, it has almost certain like references that are very like it's it's about young boys, but it is young boys as in like children, like literally, or young whatever preteen boys or whatever, but it is almost A rated, yeah, some things. And it touches on so many issues that are very like makes you think. So I wouldn't want to say much about it, yeah, because it's a book that was written a century ago, I think, or whatever. It's quite. One of these old classics sort of a thing. So do read it. I would personally give it a 3-star rating, but yeah, so do try and read it, people. On that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.